Let's start with this question. Have you ever hopped onto a bus and wondered, is this the best version of public transportation we could have? Cleaner, smarter, more reliable? Well, today's episode takes us into the heart of that question. A new study from Turkey explores what good public transportation really means in the era of sustainability and smart technologies. So here's the big idea. Public transportation isn't just about getting from point A to point B anymore. Today, it's about clean air, comfortable rides, digital convenience, and the ability for cities to keep growing without choking on traffic and pollution. This research introduces a modern framework that blends the classic idea of service quality, things like comfort, safety, and reliability, with two new pillars: sustainability and Industry 4.0 technologies. Think smart sensors, real-time tracking, low-emission vehicles, all the stuff that turns a regular bus ride into a smooth, efficient experience. To make sense of all these factors, the researchers used a mix of expert opinions and advanced decision-making tools. Don't worry, we won't dive into the math, but here's what matters. When you look at buses not just as vehicles but as part of a sustainable city system, something interesting happens. Electric buses rise to the top. Why? Because they're cleaner, quieter, easier to integrate with modern digital tools, and they bring long-term benefits that go far beyond the daily commute. They also tend to give passengers a smoother, more comfortable experience overall. But the real power of this research is not just in identifying the best bus, it's about giving city planners a smarter way to make decisions, balancing environmental goals, public comfort, safety, and new technologies all at once. And this is just the beginning. As cities expand and technologies evolve, we'll see more sensors, more real-time data, more renewable energy, all shaping the buses of the future, maybe even autonomous ones. So here's what I want to leave you with. If you could redesign the public transportation system in your city, what would you change first? Cleaner buses, faster service, smarter digital tools? Think about it. And subscribe to join us next time on the R&D Lab, where engineering research meets everyday life. Visit engisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts,